Cinnamon is an incredibly versatile ingredient. The product can be used to make any dish spicier or sweeter. Even though chefs use cinnamon every day, they probably aren't aware of how amazing the flavor additive actually is. This video will overview 5 interesting facts you didn't know about cinnamon. After reading, you'll appreciate the ingredient even more than you did before. In fact, you'll probably share the information with all your friends, too. Cinnamon is good for your health. This idea dates back to ancient times. In traditional Chinese culture, cinnamon was used to treat everyday ailments like the common cold or nausea. Cinnamon, health benefits. Anti-clotting agent. Cinnamon has anti-blood clotting agents which help reduce the bad cholesterol and prevent plaque from building up. The anti-clotting effect is important for optimum blood flow. 1. Antimicrobial. Cinnamon has the ability to help stop the growth of bacteria and yeast. In lab studies, cinnamon helped stop candida, which was resistant to commonly used antifungal medication. In a study published by the International Journal of Food Microbiology in 2003, cinnamon added to a carrot broth inhibited the growth of bacteria for at least 60 days. Cinnamon acts as a preservative. 2. Blood sugar regulator. In research done and published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, subjects were divided into 2 groups and given rice pudding. One group's pudding included cinnamon. Their blood sugar levels were recorded after 8 hours of fasting. The researchers came to this conclusion. The intake of 6 grams cinnamon with rice pudding reduces postprandial blood glucose and delays gastric emptying without affecting satiety. Studies in laboratories show that compounds in cinnamon stimulate insulin receptors and inhibited an enzyme that inactivates them. So the health benefits for those with type 2 diabetes can be substantial with only half a teaspoon of cinnamon a day. 3. Arthritis. In a study at Copenhagen University, subjects were given half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder combined with honey every morning, before the first meal of the day. After 1 week, subjects showed a significant relief of arthritis pain, which improved further after 1 month of usage. 4. Brain function. Chewing cinnamon gum or just smelling cinnamon was found to increase cognitive processing in a 2004 study. When compared with peppermint and jasmine, cinnamon came out as a clear winner. 5. Colon health. The combination of high levels of manganese and dietary fiber, iron, and calcium is very important in removing bile from the colon and preventing bile salts from creating damage to the colon walls. When the bile is removed, the body needs to break down cholesterol to make a new one. Cinnamon is also known for its warming qualities, especially in Chinese medicine, and when added to cider on a cold winter night. With so many health benefits and a great taste, no wonder cinnamon is used in many foods such as cereals and cookies. So next time, when you think twice about the empty calories you eat, think about the benefits you can get from that magic compound, cinnamon.